You ever hit that point where you look around and just say, yo, how did I end up here again? Broke, overworked, tired. You're showing up every day doing what you're supposed to do, but nothing's really changing. I know that feeling because I lived it. And if you're watching this right now, I want to tell you something. You're not crazy for wanting more. You're just tired of cycles that keep you stuck. Reframe your mindset. The first step isn't even about money. It's about mindset. When I was broke, I kept asking, why can't I get ahead? Now I ask, what's this moment trying to teach me? Being broke forced me to simplify. It forced me to see what actually matters. Peace, time, and the ability to choose. Because sometimes being broke is just life clearing space for something better. Here's the truth. You don't rebuild from frustration. You rebuild from focus. Cut the noise to protect your energy. When you're low on money, you can't afford to be drained mentally. That means saying no to people, opinion, and distraction that don't help you move forward. You have to protect your mind. It's your last dollar. Turn off the news, limit the complaining circles, and instead of scrolling to escape, start scrolling to learn. I replaced 30 minutes of frustration scrolling with watching people who are actually building something online. That's what led me to start learning how digital income works. And that one small change shifted everything. Small steps that create big change. When you're broke, the world tells you to grind harder. But the truth, you don't need to grind harder. You need to move smarter. Start with what's free. Journaling to track your mindset. YouTube tutorials to learn new skills. Communities that teach digital income. Then make one move that shifts you closer to income that doesn't depend on hours. For me, that move was getting my blueprint system at getdailypayments.com. It showed me how to build online income in a way that fits into real life, not burns you out. Stay grounded in the process. Here's what I wish someone told me. Your situation doesn't define your value. You're not behind. You're just in a rebuilding season. The broke version of you, that's the one who's learning how to become unbreakable. And if you can hold peace through this part, you'll be unstoppable when things turn around. So here's your challenge. Instead of asking, why am I broke? Start asking, what's my next small step to freedom? If you're ready to start building income online the smart way, check out the free blueprint training I mentioned at getdailypayments.com. And I'll link it in the description below. It's helped me and hundreds of others shift from survival to stability. And if this hit home for you, comment below what's one small step you're taking this week to move forward.